ready to turn website visitors into leads or customers in under 2 minutes. Let's build a high-converting landing page on Wix, step by step. First, log into your Wix account and click Create New Site. Wix offers a vast library of templates, so let's focus on finding one that fits your goal. Whether it's lead generation, product promotion, or a special offer. Browse through the landing pages category. Look for clean layouts, clear calls to action, and designs that align with your brand. Once you find a good fit, click Edit to jump into the Wix Editor. This is where the magic happens. Wix Editor drag-and-drop interface makes designing incredibly intuitive. You can easily move elements around, resize them, and change their order. Think about structuring your page with a compelling headline, a strong subheadline, and a brief description of your offer. Your headline is crucial. Make it benefit-driven and attention-grabbing. Below that, explain the value proposition clearly and concisely. You want visitors to understand why they should take action immediately. Now, let's talk about the most important element, the call to action, or CTA. This should be a prominent button. Change the button text to be action-oriented, like download now, sign up today, or get your discount. Click on the button and then change text and icon. Next, click the gear icon for settings. Here, you'll link your button to either a form submission or another relevant page, like a thank you page for lead generation. Embed a contact form directly onto your landing page. Go to Add Elements on the left-hand menu, then select Contact and Forms. Choose a pre-designed form and drag it onto your page. Customize the fields to collect the essential information you need, like name and email. To ensure your landing page gets found, let's optimize for search engines. Click Marketing and SEO in the left menu and then SEO is follow the prompts to set up your page title, description, and keywords. A clear title and description will entice users to click when they see your page in search results. Finally, it's vital to preview your landing page across different devices. Click the desktop and mobile icons at the top of the editor to ensure your design looks fantastic and functions perfectly on all screen sizes. Once you're happy with your creation, hit that Publish button. Congratulations! You've just built a powerful landing page on Wix designed to drive conversions.